Well, posting on his Instagram today, Brandon Hartraft has announced that he is stepping away from racing professionally. Obviously, this comes after the horrible injury he sustained in the beginning of 2023 or end of 2022, whenever it was, right before the supercross season. And for him, it's probably smart. I don't know how you want to say it, but it says, quote, since many of you have been asking, I wanted to clear the air on my future and racing. I'm stepping away from racing professionally. The last few months have been some of the most challenging of my life, battling through the injuries sustained prior to SX. The hardest part to take is that it was completely out of my control, but that is part of this sport. Racing has been in my entire life up until this point, so the transition isn't going to be easy, but I'm proud of my accomplishments and the man motocross has made me. I still plan to active in the motocross industry, and I'm excited to share my next adventure with Alpha Dynamics. I don't know what that is, but somebody tell me in the comments below. I'm truly thankful for everyone who has supported me over the years. Bring on the next chapter. With the injury that he sustained, this is probably a smart idea. All you need is one more crash, and you know you're not walking anymore. To heal from this and be back up and moving. Like if you look on his Instagram, he's up and walking. At least it looks like it. Going to weddings and stuff and being functional, and that's probably what you need. There's no point in risking something for the rest of your life, for maybe 1 to 5 years more racing. One crash, one fall, and you're paralyzed for the rest of the time, which I guess is the same thing for any racer ever. But for him, after suffering through what he did, to heal and be back, moving, it's probably a smart decision. But it's sad to see. You never want to see somebody get injured and end up not racing or have to end their career because of something like this. But I'm glad he's okay. Glad he healed up well, and who knows what he's up to next. But we'll see. And in the comments below, you guys tell me. I don't know. Comment something down below. Have you ever raced and been injured? Something, whatever. Do whatever you want. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.